how to make coloring pages to sell in Canva. Hello and welcome to our channel, Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make coloring pages to sell in Canva. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So the first thing that you need to do is to open your Canva and register or log in with your existing Canva account. And on the home page of Canva, kindly click the custom size, which is located on the top right corner. And from here, all you need to do is to fill out the width, the height, or the size of your canvas. Under the width, kindly type 8.5, while under the height, kindly enter 11, and make sure that the unit is inches. And now proceed by clicking Create New Design. And upon clicking on it, it will lead you in here. And here, you have now your blank canvas with a size of 8.5 by 11 inches. And in order to add the content of this blank canvas, all we need to do is to go to the New tab and kindly go to creativefabrica.com, in which this is the website that we are going to use in order to add the content or graphics in making coloring pages in Canva. And from here, you will see a variety of graphic design that you can choose. And on this website, it also provides all these freebies such as free fonts, free graphics, free embroidery, and even a free classes. They also give or provide a discount deals and daily gifts. And from this website, you will also see a variety of fonts, graphics, 3D, spark, crops, needlework, classes, and other kinds of design category. And to proceed, all we need to do is to click on the search bar and enter the design or topics that we want this website to provide to us. So I'm gonna type jungle animal. And below, you will see the result of different kinds of graphic or design that this website contains. And all we need to do is to choose which kind of graphic design you want to add in our Canva. And as you can see, each design contains the title and the author and even the corresponding prices of each design. And since we're making a coloring pages, I'm gonna choose this one. And upon clicking on a specific design, you will see the preview picture that this design contains. In which if you want to buy this graphic design, all you need to do is to click Add to Cart. However, you can also get this graphic design for free by clicking the violet button that says Download for free. And below this design, you will see the description and other details about this graphic design, in which you will also see how many people have been added this as their favorites. And below, you will see the description about this specific graphic design. And if you scroll down, you will also see the number, the star rating from customer in purchasing this design. And the more the star, the more trustworthy the shop or this design contain. And in order to download this design, all we need to do is to click Download for free. In which by clicking on it, it will direct us in here. And from here, all we need to do is to check out this design. And if you are using a free trial, you will get this design for free. And from here, all we need to do is to proceed by clicking Proceed to Checkout. And after that, the next thing that we need to do is to fill out or log in with our account, in which you can log in using your Facebook, your email, or your Google account. And after signing in, it will lead you in here, in which you also need to link your payment methods such as your PayPal or your bank account, and proceed by clicking Proceed to PayPal. But that is just one way in downloading or purchasing a graphic design in Creative Fabrica. And if your purchase is not working, you can start over and proceed or follow the same step, which is on the creativefabrica.com, in which on the search bar, kindly type or enter the graphic design you're looking for. So I'm gonna enter jungle animal. And below, you will see a variety of results. And just proceed by clicking or selecting the design that you prefer. So I'm gonna choose this one. And as you can see, it has no add to cart or process need to do. But all we need to do is to download this graphic design for free. And after successfully downloading the design, we can now proceed by going back to our Canva account, in which from here, all we need to do is to click on Upload, which is located on the left side panel, and import the files that we just download in creativefabrica.com and start designing our own coloring pages. And that is just one way of creating our coloring pages in Canva. Since the other method or process in creating a coloring pages in Canva is by simply importing a free picture that provided by this Canva. And all you need to do is to go to the left side panel and proceed by clicking the photos. And which all you need to do is to go to the search bar and kindly type the graphic design or picture that you want to add to this blank canvas. So I'm going to type jungle drawing black and white, in which it will serve as your content in creating or making a coloring pages in Canva. And upon clicking enter, it will show you the results of your search, in which all you need to do is to select or click the specific images that you want to add. And after that, you will now see that the images is now successfully added to this blank canvas, in which you can edit or resize it by just dragging it down on this corner. And as you can see, the design that I choose is a black and white, which is applicable in making a coloring pages in Canva. And after that, if you want to add another page, all you need to do is to click Add Page, and just proceed by doing the same process, such as uploading from your computer files or by selecting a free photos that provided by Canva. And if you wish to add a design, you can do that by selecting on the left side panel under the elements, in which you can explore and discover some of the elements that you can add in these coloring pages. And let's say you are now done of selecting or editing for coloring pages, you can now proceed by clicking the share button, which is located on the top right corner. And upon clicking on it, it will lead you with this. And all you need to do is to scroll down and select download. And under the download option, you will see the file type, in which you can choose either PDF standard or PDF print, which is the best file type in making or creating a coloring pages. And also under the color type, you can choose RGB, which is best for digital use, or CMYK for best professional printing. And in order to use the CMYK, you must have a premium version or Canva Pro account. And in order to have a Canva Pro account, it says here that you can try it for free for 30 days. And after that, it will enable you to experience some of the benefit that you cannot get for having a free account. And by having a Canva Pro account, it will now enable you to print these coloring pages in CMYK coloring profile. And now proceed by clicking the download button. So that is just how to make coloring pages to sell in Canva. Thank you.